Changing out a bathtub faucet can feel like a daunting task. But trust me, it's more doable than it seems. The hardest part might just be convincing yourself to tackle it. Let's break it down step by step. First, the obvious but often overlooked first step. Turn off the water supply. I can't stress this enough. I've heard way too many stories of people flooding their bathrooms because they forgot this simple step. Don't let this be you. Once the water's off, plug the drain to avoid losing any screws or parts down there. This happens a lot more often than you'd think. Use masking tape to protect the surface of your tub from accidental scratches. Details matter. Now grab a screwdriver or Allen wrench to remove the screw holding the old faucet in place. Most standard faucets have a small, often hidden set screw underneath. It's okay to feel around for it. It's not an escape room puzzle. After you remove the screw, gently wiggle the faucet back and forth to loosen it. Pro tip, if it's stuck, use a hairdryer to heat it up a little and expand the metal. Trust me, it works wonders. Once the old faucet is off, check the condition of the pipe threads. You'll want them clean and free of any rust or debris. If needed, grab a nylon brush or just an old toothbrush. Fresh threads equal a snug fit. Next, it's time for Teflon tape, also known as plumber's tape. Wrap it around the threads in a clockwise direction. At least 2 to 3 wraps is the magic number. This step seals the deal, literally. Now install your new faucet by sliding it onto the pipe and securing it with the set screw. Tighten it, but don't go gorilla mode here. You just need it snug, not ready to survive an earthquake. Turn the water supply back on slowly. I know you'll want to flip it on full blast to check your work, but don't. Start slow. Look for leaks around the new faucet. A small drip? Tighten the set screw a little more. If there are no leaks, congrats. But before you pop a victory soda, test the faucet in all positions, hot, cold, and in between. Make sure it's working smoothly and nothing feels weird or off. If something does leak or feel off, don't panic. Unscrew the faucet and check your Teflon tape. Chances are you either didn't use enough or it's uneven. Small tweaks can save you a ton of frustration. And that's it. Your new faucet is installed and you'll feel like a plumbing wizard. Sometimes the hardest part is just starting the project, but finishing it, that always feels amazing. Maybe even unnecessary high five. Amazing. You got this, one project at a time. And hey, your tub looks better already. Plus, you've saved a couple $100 on a plumber. Treat yourself. Portland has plenty of great coffee spots for that.